Right now I'm on the Batlem, Chincholem, Durgawadi bypass road. If you can see, this is the bypass road and these are the fields onto my left hand side. You can see these fields are being dumped with mud right now. We don't know for what reason it is, but it's very important to understand why our low-lying fields are very important. According to a web report lately, it has been said by 2030, a lot of our areas in Goa is going to be covered. It's going to be submerged in water. And this is going to be one of the reasons. Because the more land filling we do into fields, there won't be any space for water, to be collected. And this is how flooding will happen. Right now in a lot of our areas in Talegaon constituency, flooding is already happening in Kamrabat, in Peterbat, in Tamdimati, in Batlem. Even these areas, if you can see, just point out this area, right over there, water gets into their houses when there's heavy rains. So if we are going to keep filling up our fields over here, the water level will keep rising up, and no one understands the importance of low-lying fields, but we are always filling it up for construction purpose. So requesting people is we have to be sensible enough to understand why these low-lying fields are here. I mean, today I've taken this road. This is not my normal route, but today I took this road and I've seen this blatant use of, mud just being dumped into. As much as someone says, oh, we want to plant trees or we want to do it for development, at what cost? Because the moment we fill this up, we are going to raise the water levels even higher for Talegaon. So requesting everyone to be sensible citizens, because down the line, all our people who are staying right in Batlem section or Chincholem section, water's already entering into their houses. That's why protection of low-lying fields is important, is a must. Because down the line, in the years to come, we will have flooding in a lot of our areas. I don't know what else to say. But I have already registered a complaint and to inquire why this field has been filled up. So as we as citizens, let's take this active initiative to protect our land for the future generations. Because it's already raining. In the month of November end, today is 30th of November, we're going to enter December. It's cloudy. It's going to rain anytime. Climate change is happening. So if you're going to cut down trees, if you're going to destroy our fields, one day we won't have food to eat, and then we will be dependent on all our building constructions like this. So please don't misuse the land that we have, but let's protect it and do whatever best we can for the generations to come. Thank you.